Hey, what's up guys, Vic here with PhoneArena, and today we're testing the brand new Asus Zenfone 10 against its predecessor, the Zenfone 9. And this is what the camera looks like, the video recording looks like with the main camera. Let's also switch to the ultra-wide camera to see the ultra-wide camera in action. 4K 30 video on both phones. And let's slowly pan around. Alright, to see how these two phones adjust to different lighting. There should be a very smooth transition. Alright, going back to 1X, one of the most impressive things about the Zenfone 10 is its video stabilization, so let's test that out. So walking at a pretty brisk pace. Alright. Okay, let's stop right here in the shade. So which one do you think does better in terms of video stabilization? The Zenfone 10 or the Zenfone 9? Let me know in the comments. Hey, what's up guys? Nighttime video recording now on the Zenfone 10 and the Zenfone 9. So let's compare the image quality and can we see some improvements? That's what we're looking for. Definitely spot some differences in terms of just the color reproduction on both. And if we point towards the water here, it's pretty dark, so it's way more challenging. So let's walk a bit and also get a sense of the video stabilization and just the quality. And let's also switch to the ultra-wide camera. Very, very dark on both. Practically useless, I would say. Switching back to 1X, which one do you think does a better job?